Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and we are going to discussing today a Selenium Cucumber Java BDD framework 4th class, that is simple login test. Okay, here the simple example website I'm going to show you. This one I found from Google. Okay, and we can able to use this simple one and we can able to identify our code. Here once you provide us some username and password, any username and password, here any name you can able to provide. The password is 12345. Okay, and once you click here, I'm going to specifying location and you can able to specifying that 12345. And if you click login, and it will show you here the login page is here. Okay, hello Lokesh, let's complete the testing form. Okay, I means it is enter into the login page and we need to verify this value. Okay, to do that, how we can able to add it and how we can able to process that, a simple way we can able to see in this example. Okay, and the previous video also I explained like how to add our glue code and all, and we can able to, based upon that, we can able to add it. Correct. And again I'm going to adding here one feature file, sorry, and here login page dot future. In that place I'm going to add some steps verifying login page, and my future is login page and scenario is verifying login page. Okay, and the given this parameterization and all I will explain you the later. And here given place I am going to add for open browser and user is whether he is presented on the login page or not, we can able to use here. Otherwise we can able to go ahead and here we can able to specify user enter name and password. Then we can able to specify then condition, and here we can able to say like user is navigate home page. Okay, this is simple 3 steps I used. Okay, now I'm going to use for another runner class. I'm copy pasting here runner class 2 and my login page, going to my runner class, and here I'm changing for my file login page feature and step definition place. Okay, my login page and everything is ready. Then I need to use for my steps here, and I need to find it for my glue code. To reading these steps purpose, we need to yes, 3 steps are presented. And we can able to add for inside the steps. It's already the few steps are presented, and just I'm going to copy pasting here. Okay, and here we can able to see there is a browser open already, the step is presented. Okay, and I'm copy pasting this step only up to here. we need to see whether the the same opening browser is presented. Same opening browser is presented. It's a opening and open browser, and if it is the same methods are presented, we need to remove it, or else we can able to reuse that name. Then only we can able to use. Otherwise, it will show some error. This is a simple example which I explained in the previous video, how we can able to run our first script. And mine here is a login pages, this example, and I'm going to specifying here my page. And second step is user enter username and password. For that we need to write some code, right? And here I'm going to do it here. Driver dot find element, and here I need to come here. I want to read the value, like I need to find the value here. Enter, and here is the ID is presented. I'm going to take for name, and by dot ID I'm going to take the locator, and I'm specifying the locator value dot send keys. I'm specifying that location. Okay, and one code is ready, and driver dot find element, and here I want to take for password. The password is ID is like password only. I'm going to here by dot ID, and I'm specifying the value that and dot send keys, and I need to specify 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now my two conditions are ready, and third condition I need to see whether it is enter into the home page or not. If I am specifying that location and 1 2 3 4 5, then if you are clicking login page, I need to verify this page whether it is displaying or not, and I need to specify the value where it is presented, and we can able to see now the page ID is presented, and we can able to get it this one, and I need to specify whether that particular value is find element by dot id, and I need to specify the value here, and dot get text is the method to get the information, and I'm going to store for that information here text. Okay, now my text is ready. Then I need to read this entire information, correct, and I need to see whether it can. If something space also there, then it will not read properly, and we need to see how whether it is coming or not. Text one, and I'm specifying this like that, and I'm specifying the lower character for location. Then okay, and here I'm going to do for some assert. Assert dot assert equals, and we can able to specify two objects, expect and actual for string format of the messages, and str1, and I can able to take text1 and text, both the places I can able to use. And okay, now if I'm running this my runner class 2, it should run for this login page. I'm not specifying to close exactly the browser, just I'm opening and entering and all, whether that particular values are enter or not, whether it is verifying that login page or not. And we can able to close the browser also we can able to use for close browser. Oh, sorry. Oh, for login button purpose, we are not written anything. That's why our test case will fail because it's expected a different value and it's nothing, right? And sorry for that. And we can go to steps here, and we can go here. There is a button. The button ID is login. Okay, just I'm going to do here driver.find element by dot id, and I'm specifying this and providing the click. Okay, now it will run. Because on the previous step I just not used for uh, login button, that's why it is stopped there only, due to that it is failed. Now it will open the browser and see. Now that is done, and we can able to see the verification also done. It take the value and it is verified. This is a simple format of login page to verifying that page. This is a simple demo application I took for that, and you can take any kind of application and you can able to validate this format. And you have to write the proper information whether what exactly you are doing. Here I am not written any properly because here I user enter and username password, and I can able to specify one more condition like and user enter login button. And for this we need to write the click button purpose on separate, because here I'm not written, that's why I forgot, and that's why first time it is failed, correct? And this way we can able to do it. Another step also we can able to add into your step definitions. And this is the one like a login page in the first time. And if you like this video, please like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share your friends and colleagues. Thank you.